characteristics of man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. As the name, synthetic fabrics are produced from synthetic fibers. These fibers have been produced by synthesizing chemicals, means have their beginnings in chemical solution that are forced through tiny holes into chemical bath or air chamber. These harden into long ropes of fibers that are later woven into fabrics. In simple words, synthetic fabrics put into the chemical solution and they have a tiny holes, so chemical enter into the tiny holes or after hardens long ropes of fiber that are later woven into the fabrics. Is it clear? Means synthetic fibers is a result of a chemical reaction. So first synthetic fibers made by man is rayon. So now advantage or disadvantage of synthetic fiber or fabric. Advantage, elasticity in nature. Due to elastic in nature, hence wrinkle resistant. On the other hand, natural fibers are less elasticity. So due to the less elasticity, they tend to wrinkled, for especially in cotton and linen. Is it clear? So disadvantage of the synthetic fiber are less porous. Due to the less porous, they are uncomfortable to wear in hot and humid weather. Is it clear? So major difference between natural fiber, nylons and polyesters are the example of the synthetic fabrics. So nylons and polyesters are thermoplastic in nature. So what is the thermoplastic? Means they can be molded at controlled temperature and pressure to create interesting texture and design variation. So they are called heat set design. So what is a heat set designing? Yeah, heat set plating. Heat set plating means can be molded at controlled temperature and pressure to create interesting textures and design variation. Is it clear? So question is, who is the master of heat set plating? So Japanese designers have explored a lot in this techniques and have mastered the art of heat set plating. Is it clear? So students, this heat set pleating can be done at any stage in fabric production. For example, at the fiber stage, yarn stage, or on the final fabric. That means we can change, we can mold in the fiber stage also, yarn stage after making the yarns, or on final fabrics. For example, we can dye, we can give the any surface designing on the final fabric. Is it clear? So question is, name the stages in which synthetic fibers can be molded. So three stages in the first is at the fiber stage, second yarn stage, or final stage. Is it clear? As the name, blended fabrics are combination of two or more different fabrics. Is it clear? So usually the fibers present in higher percentage dominates the characteristics of the final fabric. But a successful blend will have desirable qualities of all fabrics. So what is the blended fabric? Combination of two or more different fabrics. So example is, popular example of the fabric is terrycoat, which is blend 65% of cotton or 35% of terryline. So some problems, common problem with the synthetic is the large number of the terms are used to identify them, the blended fabric. For example, acrylic may be called Orlon or acryline. So they are the registered trademark of the some company which are generally confuse the consumer. In India, consumer generally recognize the fabrics by the trade names or the common group terms by which a shopkeeper might be referring to them. But another problem is the fact the common consumer being misled by the shopkeeper selling polyester blended silk as the khadi silk or claiming it to be pure silk. So the consumer therefore need to learn to the identify commonly used fabric, as most fabric can't be identified by their appearance alone. So the information on the fabric bolt can be read as it is compulsory for the manufacturer to print it on the fabric. So thank you students.